The Galaxy S26 Ultra includes several Galaxy AI tools that can make the phone more useful for productivity. They are practical tools for things that come up during a normal working day, like staying on top of your schedule, recording meetings, cleaning up notes, writing messages, researching online, or translating conversations in real time. So in this video, let's take a closer look at how to use Galaxy AI on the Galaxy S26 Ultra to boost productivity. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Let's start with Now Brief and Now Bar. Now Briefs gives you a daily overview in the morning. It can bring together information like your calendar events, meeting times, reservations, weather, and other relevant details from across your apps. And on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it can also surface information that may have come in through messages instead of only showing what you manually added to your calendar. So if there is a reservation, an appointment, or something important you may have missed, Now Brief can bring it into one overview. Now Bar works more throughout the day. Instead of only giving you information in the morning, it can show relevant updates at the right moment directly on the lock screen. That can include things like an upcoming meeting, a timer, or travel information. Together, Now Brief and Now Bar reduce the need to constantly jump between different apps just to see what is happening next. The next useful tool is Transcript Assist. Transcript Assist is built into the voice recorder app and it can turn recorded audio into written transcript. That makes it useful for meetings, interviews, calls, or any conversation where you want a written record of what was said. It can also add speaker labels so it is easier to follow who said what. Once the recording is finished, you can summarize the transcript to get the key points without reading through the whole thing. You can also translate the transcript into another language and export it into Samsung Notes if you want to continue working with it there. Then there is Note Assist. Note Assist is built into Samsung Notes and it is especially useful if you take a lot of notes during meetings, lectures, or planning sessions. It can summarize longer notes into key points, format messy notes into a clearer structure, correct spelling and grammar, and translate notes into another language. And because this is the Galaxy S26 Ultra, it also works well with the S Pen. You can write notes by hand during a meeting, then use Samsung Notes to clean up the handwriting, convert it into text and apply Note Assist afterwards. So instead of retyping everything manually, you can turn rough handwritten notes into something cleaner and easier to use. Note Assist also supports PDF translation inside Samsung Notes. So if you import a report, contract, or briefing, you can translate it directly inside the note without copying the text into a separate app. Another helpful tool is Writing Assist. Writing Assist is available through the Samsung keyboard in many messaging and writing apps. It can help adjust the tone of a message, correct spelling and grammar, translate text, or help draft a message from scratch with Composer. That can be useful when writing emails, messages to colleagues, client replies, meeting requests, or formal responses. For example, you can write a rough message first and then use Writing Assist to make it sound more professional, more concise, or more polished. It is also useful when writing in another language because it can help with grammar correction and translation directly from the keyboard. Next up is Browsing Assist. Browsing Assist is built into Samsung Internet and it is useful when doing research. When you open a long article, report, or a web page, you can tap the Galaxy AI icon and generate a summary. That helps when you need to go through multiple sources quickly and only want the most important points first. Browsing Assist can also translate full web pages directly in the browser, so you can read content in another language without switching to a separate translation app. For anyone who reads a lot of news, reports, product pages, or research material, this can save time and make the browser more useful for work. And finally, there is Interpreter. Interpreter is designed for real-time in-person translation. You open the Interpreter app, select the two languages, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra can translate both sides of the conversation. It can show the translation on the screen or play it through the speaker, which makes it useful for meetings, international events, travel, or conversations where two people do not speak the same language. Overall, these Galaxy AI tools can make the Galaxy S26 Ultra more useful during a working day. Now Brief and Now Bar help you stay on top of your schedule. Transcript Assist turns meetings into written notes. Note Assist helps clean up and organize those notes. Writing Assist supports professional communication. Browsing Assist makes research faster, and Interpreter helps with conversations across languages. Galaxy AI is a set of tools that can save time across different parts of the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.